Hi there guys, I'm out on another trip. I haven't done a lot of filming going in as I arrived really late. It's now 10 to 5 and I'm guessing I might be halfway from where I plan on being tonight, hopefully. So the sun generally goes down around just before 7, so I've still got enough sunlight hopefully left to reach where I need to go. And I'll get back to you when I get closer to where I'm planning on camping. Guys, I made it to the campsite. Initially I wanted to go a lot further on, but it's now quarter to 6 and I'm beat. I arrived very late. I think it was maybe 3:30. Then the walk-in got lost twice and found my right route. So this is a pretty good spot. I hope it's going to be an uneventful evening. I've already set up my tent. Just quickly, let me just show you. This is just a Camp Master, small Camp Master dome tent. Camp Master is like the budget brand of South Africa. Oh, this is like a pretty nice spot. It's got a fireplace here. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm not going to use it. I'll make fire down on the ground. That's preferable. Water source is that way. There's a little waterfall there. Clean mountain water. Let me quickly take you to my little waterfall so you can see what it looks like. But by the way, I found a cow carcass on the way in, not too far from where I'm staying. I wonder what's that all about. So this is our little waterfall. It's got a nice swimming hole. I'm just not one for swimming, so I don't know. Goes down here, all the way down. So all of this water comes from the mountain up top. I'm basically at the foot of the Waterfall wilderness area, you could say, which is also a water catchment site for our area. So camp is sort of set up, still a bit messy over here. Fire's going, most of this wood is just like damp and wet. I always seem to do these unprepared, unplanned trips. So hopefully this one turns out okay. There's no cell phone reception, so if something goes wrong I've got some serious problems. But in any case, for dinner tonight, like a piece of steak and just some instant mash to go along with it. So this is my steak. It's rare, cooked nicely on the outside, inside is still nice and rare. And I'm gonna dig in and I'll get back to you when I'm done. It's too dark to see anything anyway, so I'll catch you guys later.
Good morning, guys. It's not really 5:15. I've been awake for about an hour or so. Got pretty cold last night. Survived. Plan for the morning is just to get dressed, break up camp, head back out.
Just gonna do a Nature Valley crunchy bar for breakfast and then get out of here. It was a pretty good trip, long night. I was awake probably every hour or so. Okay guys, that's it for this trip. I'm done at the campsite. I'll see if I'll film on my way out. I doubt it. Battery's flat, so I still need to phone for transport. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. This was really not well planned, but I think it went pretty well. Second solo trip down. To be honest, I think I prefer being with other people than being out here solo. And for that I'll enjoy it more being out on my own. But sitting around having nothing to do at night drives me crazy. Anyway, I'll see you guys later on.